is in the air, which means it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all is well. Today I'm going to be making a romantic red velvet bundt cake filled with an amazing cream cheese filling. This lovey-dovey dessert isn't just inviting, but it also has a very luscious taste. This is a great start to celebrate the love and affection of Valentine's Day. So let's get started making this lovely dessert.
Cake mix ingredients. 1 package of red velvet cake mix. Follow the instructions on the back. 1 1/4 cups milk instead of using water. 1/2 cup of melted butter instead of using oil. 3 eggs. Take the cake mix and place it into a large bowl. Add milk, melted butter, eggs, mix thoroughly. Set it aside. Next, it's time to make the cream cheese filling. Place cream cheese at room temperature into a bowl. Stir the cream cheese to remove any clumps. Add softened butter, sugar, eggs, lastly, add all-purpose flour. I will be using this adorable mini bundt cake pan. However, you can use any pan. Grease the pan. Add in the red velvet cake batter to the pan, about 1/4 to halfway up. Add in the cream cheese filling, using enough to cover up the cake batter. Add in more cake batter to cover up the cream cheese filling. Using a skewer, I'm mixing it around to add a marble look inside the bundt cake. This marbling process can be done once the 3rd layer is complete or after the 2nd layer is done. Bake at 325 for 20 to 30 minutes or until an inserted toothpick comes out clean. Now it's time to make the cream cheese frosting. Add cream cheese at room temperature, heavy cream, powdered sugar, vanilla extract. Using an electric hand mixer on medium-low speed, or you can also use a spatula to mix the ingredients together. However, it would just take more time and effort. Put the cream cheese frosting into a sandwich bag. Place it into the refrigerator. Melt some pink candy melts in the microwave. Put it into a snack-sized bag, which will be used to make the lovely decorations. Cut off the tip of the bag. On parchment paper, write out some heartfelt words. Set it aside to completely dry. When the mini bundt cakes are done, take them out of the oven. Let them completely cool down. Once cooled down, using a knife, level out the bottom of the cakes. Aw, so cute! Look at this beautiful cake. You can also customize the decorations on the cake to your liking.
I hope you enjoyed this video. This dessert captures the love and affection of Valentine's Day. Give this a try and let me know in the comments below or tag me on Instagram. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon for my upcoming videos. And I'll see you guys on my next video.